Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to perform an important file operation which is called write mode. Write mode is the mode of file operation in which we write anything in the file. So it is used to write anything in the file, whatever we want to write in the file, then we use write mode. But while using write mode, let me give you an idea that write mode works in such a way that if a file already does not exist and we want to open the file in a write mode, then a new file is created. Whereas in case of read mode, this was not happened. If we open the file in read mode, then a file does not exist, then it will generate an error. However, if a file already exists and it has some old text, then write mode will delete previous. Write mode will delete the old text and will write a new text. So this is the way how the write mode works. So we will also see it in detail. Here an example is given in which we can see that we have opened a file as f. Here the name of file is Python file. However, we can use any file, and by using this command f.write, we can write anything in the file. So let me perform this example on our Python software. This is our Python software which is PyCharm, and we are going to do this on our software as well. And what we can do, we can just open, use this command open, and the name of file message.txt, and then we can use the mode write mode as well. Okay, here you can see message.txt is the already file in which I have stored. This is the new text of the file. Now what will I do? I will just write in it that welcome to our video knowledge for skill channel. So what we are going to do, we will write this line and I will run this code. As soon I have run this code, now I move to the message.txt file that is already exists. You can see here the previous line has been deleted and the new line has been overwritten on the previous line. So this is the way how the write modes work, and we can even again use f.write. When we use again f.write, then it will again delete the previous file, and it will delete the previous lines and it will overwrite the new line. Now let me run this code again. As soon as I run this code and I move this file in the upper tab, you can see here now welcome to knowledge for skill. It will what is going to do again, if I use multiple times f dot write in single code, then it will override it will add the text at the end. But if I delete this line and now I run this code, what will happen, these all lines will be deleted and this will be created. So maybe you have got the idea. Let me do it again. I am going to run it again, and what I have seen in message file, here abc is given. Okay, if I use again f dot write and I use here def, will happen, it will since it is written in one program, so it will write the lines, all the lines abc as well and def as well, not it will overwrite. But if we uh, call this command one time, and then the previous things written in the file will be deleted. So let me run this code and you can see here abc and def both are written. But if I delete one line and now I execute, and if I expect that it should be written at the end, then this will not happen. It will be written from beginning. So this is the way how the write mode works. Hopefully it is clear to you. You can also do this practice on your own software as well. So this is the way. If we want to write anything in from the new line, then we can put the new line operator as well. For example, here the new line operator is slash dot n, and I can write this file. Now whatever I will write, it will be written in the new lines. And now we f dot write, and this is the code that def, and again from new line, and here I put the inverted commas which I have put by mistake here. So this is the way how does it work. So I will put here the inverted comma def, and then I will use it again here. Okay, this is the way how does it work, def, and you can see here it is written, and as soon as I run this code, then it will write the file in new lines as well every time. So this is the way how the write mode works. Whenever we call write mode multiple times within a code, then it will generate the line in previous line as well every time. But this is the way in which this program works. So write mode is very simple, in which we can write anything in the file. Thank you so much. That was up to here. If you have any question, then you can leave in your valuable feedback in the form of comments.